When I first started learning English, I had nothing more than a dictionary, a notebook, and a dream. I lived in a small village where there was no internet, no language school, and no English speaking teacher. But I had a strong desire to learn, and that was enough to begin. Each morning, I walked to the local library. It was a quiet place with wooden chairs, old books, and a kind old man who ran the place. He wasn't an English expert, but he showed me where to find the grammar books and magazines. I started slowly. I learned words like book, table, apple, and pen. I repeated them aloud and wrote them in my notebook again and again. I didn't have a classroom, but I turned my small room into one. I taped new words on the wall, practiced in front of the mirror, and listened to English songs on my radio. At times, I felt lost. I couldn't understand long sentences, and I was afraid to speak. But I kept going. I read children's stories, watched English videos with subtitles, and even talked to myself in English when I was alone. I made many mistakes, but those mistakes became my best teachers. One day, I met a traveler who visited our village. He spoke English and asked for directions. My heart raced, but I answered, not perfectly, but clearly. Go straight, then turn left at the school, I said. He smiled and said, Your English is good. That moment changed everything. It wasn't just about grammar anymore. It was about confidence, practice, and daily effort. I continued reading English articles, writing short paragraphs, and speaking every chance I got. Now, years later, I still learn something new every day. I've joined an online community where I practice with people from different countries. We share our stories, help each other, and celebrate our progress together. Learning English didn't just give me a language, it gave me opportunity, connection, and a new version of myself. No internet, no teacher, just a dream, a book, and determination. Your journey doesn't need perfection, it needs purpose. Start small, stay steady, and let your words build the world you want.